Hello guys, this is fairbinaryoptions.com. We are looking at the Great Britain pound US dollar, the 1 hour chart, and I will start with the conclusion. And the conclusion here is that we would like to buy call options, but buying call options with end of day to day expiration date. The reason is that on the bigger picture, this seems to be completed. This seems to be completed, meaning a triangle, not any triangle, but a running variation of a contracting triangle seems to be completed. Now, what I would like to show you here on the 1 hour chart is another triangle that acted actually as a reversal pattern. And even if we are not going to be, let's say, right, even if we are not right with the triangle on the bigger picture, this triangle that I'm looking at right here, right now, at least needs to retrace this move and to retest the triangle. Now, I would say that this is our wave A to the upside, the B to the downside. So A, B, C, most likely here, D, and then the E wave, like this. Let me change the color, let's make it blue, and then putting this one here. So A, B, C, D, E, and any triangle travels between the A and C and B and D trend line. So this should be labeled in the following manner. So this to be wave A to the upside. So wave A to the upside, and make it like, let's make it like this, red. And then of course that the move to the downside here should be the B wave. So A and the B wave. Then the C wave to the upside, A, B, and C, probably here, or maybe here with another contracting triangle of a lower degree. So A, B, C, then the D wave here, D, and the triangle concludes yet again with another triangular formation, but of a lower degree, as you can see this one here. Now from this moment of time, things starting to look dicey. Why dicey? Because this one most likely only ends a leg of a triangle. So let's try to mark the move from the E wave from there and the vertical so that we know where it comes from. So a contracting triangle that goes from the lows here to those highs, and this to be the leg of a contracting triangle. And probably this is A, B, and C. So A, B, C, X. So A, B, C, X, and then A, B, C, D, E, and then the move to the downside. Now, what's extremely important is the following situation. If you take a Fibonacci retracement from the beginning of this leg, like this to here, you are seeing that actually it goes, this move to the downside, it goes and retraces more than 61.8. In this case, it cannot be the leg of a running variation of a contracting triangle that we are looking for on a bigger time frame, because it doesn't make any sense for the E wave that we are looking for to retrace that much. So we say that this is a D wave of a bigger degree. So this is possible to be a D wave of a bigger degree. Let's make it blue. And now we're looking for an E wave structure. Now the E wave structure needs to be something corrective. This one looks to be a zigzag. So in this case, definitely that the E wave retraces into a 61.8. But because price made this contracting triangle here as the leg of a triangle to the upside, so basically our retracement should go from the beginning of the previous wave till the end of the previous wave. That means no way we are having 61.8, and actually that should be the invalidation level on any move to the downside, 64.06. So what to do next? Well, definitely I would like to buy call options, and I would like to buy call options with end of day to the expiration date, because this is Friday. So buying call options with end of day expiration date, as this is Friday, and this end of day expiration date actually to be 21 GMT by the time the US markets are going to close, as that would be the logical thing to do for the Great Britain pound and US dollar pair. Probably the E wave here is completed, and we need price now to break to the upside, either to retest this line here or to even break for higher values. So bullish from now on Great Britain pound US dollar, and this is to stay for quite a while. Thank you very much for being here. This is fairbinaryoptions.com, and all these analyses here are possible due to the help of our sponsor, Line9.